Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome, and welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, commenting, and liking this video. I would really appreciate that a lot. And if you're my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for all the love and the support that you have been showing me. I know I have been MIA for a while, and this is probably not a comeback video, but I'm slowly coming back, and the reason for that I will explain it to you sometime in another video. But today's video is going to be a maintenance vlog, so I'm gonna go do my nails, petty and many, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. Yet, but yeah, let's go and do my nails. I just came out of a shower. It's like 2:05 at the time, and today is the 21st. Yes, I think it's the 21st of November. So yeah, let's go do my nails. Why is it closed? I am at the salon. So I'm at the salon, and the lady that does nails is not here. So I'm gonna wait for her for like 50 minutes, and then I think we are also gonna go do a little bit of grocery, like a small grocery. But my man is still at work. He is about to knock off at 2:30. So yeah, I'll just have to wait here. Good morning, loves. So, if you are new into this vlog, hi. So, as you can see, I'm a little crusty, but I did my nails yesterday. I did show you guys. Today we're gonna go and do my hair. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do my hair because I had asked my colleague to do my hair, but then I decided last minute that I shouldn't do my hair. But now I think I should do my hair. So I had washed my hair. I don't think I should wash it again. So this is my hair. It's in a twist. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unravel this twist, and once I'm done with that, I am gonna moisturize it and everything, and then I'm gonna go to the salon to do like a simple hairstyle, and then you guys will see me at the salon. I was just busy cleaning right now. This place was a mess, and yeah, I'm tired. I think I'm gonna go do that, and when I come back I'm gonna rest a little bit, and then I'm gonna study further because I'm writing tomorrow. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I will see you in the next segment of this video, which is going to be me in a salon doing my hair. I don't think I'm going to show you guys when I am moisturizing my hair. My hair is very nice and soft and moistured, so but I just want to do another moisture because I did it last week. I just want to do it for this week, and so that my hair is nice and nourished and hydrated when I go to the salon to do my hair, because this hairstyle I'll probably keep it for like, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. So yeah, those are the products that I obviously use to do my hair. I have this that can stay soft and free, I think, because it sprays very nice. I have that, which is my Love King's bottle. That Love King's bottle is not working properly anymore. I don't know what I did, but I remember when I pressed, I think I pressed it too fast, and then something became loose. I don't know. So I'm using Cantu. As you can see, those are Cantu products that I have there, and yeah, those are the things I'm gonna use, and then I will see you in at the salon. So this is my hair. Just want to show you the before and the after. I'll show you when I get to the salon. So see you at the salon. I've been saying that, but see you at the salon for real this time.
Niganile hayi ayikunisuka kanjani famba kanatlanga
Ganye mam.
nisuka ka Martin famba natlanga tea time aloko ni avuya ku tlanga ka tea time loko ni luyidele tukora ni ku lwenda mukuma ka mavuso wa ke la tsama ka ko
Aloko mavuso.
loko nhlasela ka mavuso la jana mukuma loko xipepera shanga ari ngeke ngazinikeze umuntu ohlala na ijardi
Anonke umuntu.
yala nina kuni munhu ngamungetela tsama kana ngoni hala kaze vela ngeke wa tea luya
Ingabe too small, ne?
ingabe too small.
Yes.
Kaze I am back home and I am done with my hair.
So I think I'm gonna end this video. Yeah, thank you so much, my love, for watching till this far. I really appreciate it so much. I don't know if I have enough footage to put up a video together, but this is gonna be my maintenance vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share this video with your friends and your family. And I would really appreciate if they join into the family. And we are so close to reaching 1K. All right, thank you so much, my loves. I appreciate you so much.